What's going on, everybody? How y'all doing today? We're gonna go fishing today, and it's gonna be rainy and cloudy, but I wanna make a video. We're gonna go to some really cool places, get some really cool videos today. I have some free time on my hands, so I figured, you know what, let's get the camera out, let's go fishing, let's have some fun. So the next time I see you guys, we're gonna be at the place, I'm gonna get some good videos. Let's go. What's going on, everybody? We are here, we're at the pond. We're gonna do some fishing today. We're actually at the ponds around the old mill in North Little Rock, Arkansas. So let's go ahead, get out there, see if we can catch some fish. Let's go. All right, before this storm moves in, I'm gonna take you guys to go see the old mill. Let's go. So anyways, what I'm doing is I'm walking around these lakes. There's 3 different lakes. Actually, I think there's 4. I think there's 4 different lakes down here in North Little Rock around the old mill. And what I'm doing is I'm spot fishing. I'm going around these banks here. I'm looking for where I think bass will be bedded up. And I'm tossing in these little beds. And that's what I'm trying to get. I'm trying to get these bass to bite on their beds or just out in the open. Like there's a dock that I'm heading to right now. I'm gonna toss under it. I'm gonna see what I can catch. But that's all I'm doing right now, is I'm just walking these banks and I'm spot fishing. Look at that big guy. That's a beautiful fish. All right, so the rig that I was just using when I caught that bass was this little spinnerbait right here. And I had a crawfish imitation hooked right here on the back. The fish demolished it. I mean, this thing is trash. I'm gonna have to throw it away. But anyways, like I said, I was just using this spinnerbait, crawfish imitation off the back. So you had the two claws hanging off like this. Not more than seconds when he hit the water, he went after it. All right, so what a way to end the day, guys. I'm actually sitting down on this nice little bench I found out here. I'm just gonna relax for a little bit and just enjoy the day. I'm so happy I was able to catch that bass on camera. I just started the camera, decided to fish under that bridge, cast a little bit away from the bridge on the third try. Boom, we got that little bass. And I really wish I would've got away on that one, but I was just too excited. I'm a catch and release guy, so I went ahead and put it back. But man, that was a great time. I had a great time out here. I hope you enjoyed this video. And then I wanted to let you guys know that at 1,000 subscribers, I plan on doing something just big, a giveaway, something. So please help me out, like and subscribe to this video. By liking and subscribing, you really help me being able to do these videos and hopefully be able to do these full time. I'm getting better at my editing. I'm trying to get better at on-screen time. So just please help me out. Do that much for me. Go down below and like and subscribe. At the end of the video, there'll probably be my last week's video right there. Or then click on my channel, which is probably going to be about right here. And then watch the other videos. There's a few where I was still learning, so they kind of are eh. But trust me, you'll enjoy it. I'm trying my hardest. I can't wait to do this full time. Help me get to 1,000 subscribers. That's the only thing I ask. Like and subscribe. I can't wait to keep making these more and more for you guys. Let's go.